I'm smiling because I'm weirded out.
We're in bed, obviously. We watched a couple movies. We tried watching,
Oh my god.
what was it?
Hell House.
Hell House. Shout out to Kayla and Stroud for hyping it up when it really sucked. We only watched like 5 minutes of it. And then we watched Truth or Dare, which I really wanted to see, and it ended up being really good. And then we watched Blockers.
Cock blockers.
Cock Blockers. And it was really good, really funny.
Breland's coming.
Oh.
Hi, Bree.
We're in my mom's bed because my mom is not here tonight.
You're just so happy.
Oh.
Ricky keeps asking for cuddles.
Yeah. Ricky just wants to cuddle tonight. He's in a cuddling mood, and me and Claudia are not feeling it. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Peace.
Hey. So we're just chilling. I'm editing right now. We got
Pose with me.
Kira. Oh, who did those? They look good. Who did them?
Me.
Yeah, did they? It was me. Ricky, say hi. We're going to fireworks later tonight. We gotta get Claudia later, and then we're gonna go to fireworks. So we'll see you then. Kira, we're going to Subway because Subway's mom, and then we're gonna go to the fireworks.
Yes, indeed.
Jacob, say hello.
Hi.
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Garrett, say hi.
Hi.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Green, I said it.
Oh, you did? I didn't hear you.
Okay. You ruined it. Oh. Okay.
How's it feel being a senior, Garrett?
I wish I was graduated.
How's it feel being a senior?
Okay, goodbye.
I hate it.
Okay, how does it feel being a junior? That was really loud. There's kids all around. Yeah, you guys are old people. Take me to college.
I'm young.
I'm talking about you. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Hey guys! We just... Wait, someone?
No, what
Oh,
is that?
I thought someone was calling me. It's just a lot of Sanchez. So we just went to Taco Bell. What are we doing after this? Aren't we going
Walmart.
to Wally World? Because Claudia wants to get bracelets.
yeah.
Stuff when Kaylin already got some.
Yeah.
So
what a bitch.
It wasn't good enough for me. It just wasn't
Nothing's ever good enough for her.
For Garrett. So we're looking for the stuff for bracelets. We're betting 5 push-ups that I'm saying the stuff is gonna be over here in this vicinity.
It's not.
And she's gonna say it's gonna be over there. So we'll let you know who's right and who's wrong.
We just walked through
Maybe
here.
we're
It's
both
not
wrong.
here.
Okay,
We have 2.
get down.
Kaylin's gonna be
Oh my gosh, she's doing it. 1, 2, further, 3,
You're counting too far.
4,
4.
5.
It's when you go. You didn't do 5.
Yeah, she did. She actually
We
did.
watched the film. Oh good, we're going back.
Who was wrong?
Sorry. I don't have to walk all
Hey, dog.
Hate her.
over.
More money down the
It
drain.
will be. Are you gonna embarrass me?
I look like an egg. Girl, what you doing?
No, I just want you to stay like in the front and then walk all the way fucking back.
I'm having fun vlogging. This is actually like
Isn't
really
it so
fun.
much
Comment if you were excited for senior year. If you're an underclassman, you better get in the back.
One of you mother in the front, and you're not at least a junior. I'm gonna throw your ass over the fence.
Oh, that's our TED Talk.
And it's not first come, first serve either.
I want a baby.
That'd be lit as yeah.
Mango is my favorite.
You like that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that smells like a boy.
That does smell great.
I feel like this smells like Claudia.
Claudia smells nasty. That smells too
you're
good.
right.
Hey, hey, hey.
No, I'm not, Brie.
She's trying to get a splinter out of my foot.
Peyton, can you just pause really quick and tell us your favorite color?
Brown.
Brown. That's the first.
Her last
That's
name's
the brown.
I think it's
How are you feeling?
okay.
How do I zoom?
That's not a bad word. There you go. No.
Senior photos?
Oh, the thing that you go.
Parasail. Or not parasail. Parasail.
Ew.
look at the little Chewy. Little Chewy. Hi. Oh, so sweet, buddy.
Got Emily. And Ellie. And Ashley. Aw. Emily, what's your favorite color? Pink? Alright. What's your favorite color? Green? If I'm taking over Allie's camera, I better do the colors. No, that's her question she asks everyone. I gotta do it. Chewy, what's your favorite color? It's another Mara takeover. And we got a special guest. Got Pepe in the mix.
I don't like this. Why do you hold it so close and down?
Ah!
What? Oh, someone's calling me. Cubs.
You got me, you got her. Okay. Let's go, come on. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to touch? Ready? 1, 2, 3,
We love it. Gearfest 2018. Yeah, let's get it. Oh my god. Oh, I like it.
This jacket got me feeling my
Hey guys, last night after Gearfest, I went to Kira's house. I messed my camera up a little bit. I set it down somewhere and it was like close to the ground, but it wasn't on the ground. Chris handed it to me and was like, I just found this face down in the dirt. So it was like all dirty. And then the shutters that like open would not open, and I'm pretty sure there's like dirt in it. So they're stuck like open all the time. They're still like that. But then I got to Kira's and it was like dark out by the time that it this happened. And so I got to Kira's and I looked at it. There was like moisture in the lens. So I put it in rice. I like edited a lot. It sat in rice all night. I looked at it in the morning and it was like foggy.
As you can tell, like over here. Oh my god. It's great. It's going good.
It was foggy like in the corners, but then I got home and it was gone. So I'm crossing my fingers that it doesn't come back because I'm gonna be upset. And I'm stupid and I didn't get a warranty on the camera. Like literally when I got it, it said no warranty. So it's gone, so I'm not gonna worry about it, but the shutters still like don't close, and that kind of worries me because then they can get like scratched. I'm gonna try and fix that, but I don't want to mess with it too much because I don't want to break it. But right now I'm on my way to my cousin Riley's house, and I think we're gonna go to the mall. School starts in like 10 or 11 days, so I have to get like jeans and stuff for back to school. Not excited, but whatever. I will let you know when I get there. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm here with Riley now.
We almost got hit.
The whole time we were at the mall, we were at American Eagle. And we got a lot of stuff. And yeah, it was packed. Everyone was at the Lighthouse Mall for back to school. Then we got Taco Bell. Love. Successful day of shopping. Yep.
I am on my way back home from Riley's. I forgot to tell you, this morning when I was leaving Kira's house, there's this note on my windshield and it says, Alrina Harris, I'm your biggest fan. Your vlogs are literally my life. XOXO Gossip Girl. But I knew that all the guys were together last night, so I think it was one of them. But it was funny, and I'm glad that it wasn't rude, because if it was the guys, I'm surprised it wasn't rude.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.